Hi friends. Okay, now that we have watched some videos about how to learn how to read a book going from left to right, and we've learned about the different parts of a book, we're going to review together. So I have this book right here that Miss McDonald used in her last video. I want you to go get a book at your house, okay? So I'm gonna just wait here maybe a minute, and give you some time to go get a book, okay? So go get your book, any kind of book. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is my book right here. This book is called Schools Around the World. Okay, so I have lots of different ways, but remember there is a correct way, okay? All right, so first thing I want you to do with your book, we're gonna practice on parts of a book, okay? So I want you to find your front cover of your book. Can you find the front cover of your book? I'm gonna wait. Find the front cover. Did you find it? Good job. Okay, now, did you look for any identifying characteristics? That means some parts of the book that we've been talking about. One thing that comes to my mind when I was looking for the front cover of my book was the title. Remember, we said that the title is always on the front cover. Okay, so we know the title's on the front cover, and we know there's no title on the back cover. Can you find your back cover of your book? Look at your book. See if you can find the back cover. Did you find the back cover on your book? Awesome job, guys. Okay, this is the back cover of my book. You see, it does have a picture, but it does not have the title. And the picture is not as big as this one. It's a little bit smaller. So it looks different than my front cover. So we have our front cover and we have our back cover, okay? Okay, the next one, I want you to take a minute to find your title page. Title page can be a little tricky, but remember, it's a title page. All right, let me see if you can find your title page on your book. Did you find it? Awesome. Did you find the page, the first page in your book that has the title? So here's my front cover, and when I open my book, I have my title page. My title page has the title of my book, so I know this is my title page, and it's also a page, so I know it's the title page. Very good. Okay, so remember Miss McDonald taught you how to start on one side, the correct side. So let me open it up to a page. I want you to open it to a page in your book. Now, let's see, this one's a good page right here. Okay, so open it to a page, and I want you to find where you're supposed to start reading. Where would you start reading on your page? Point to it. Find it in your book. Point to it. Okay, now that you've done that, let's check your answer by looking at my book. Okay, so I have my first page right here. We have the title up here, Schools Everywhere, but I'm gonna go to the words of the story. So that is down here. So I always start on the left side of the book, or the left side of the page, I'm sorry, left side of the page. So I start over here, and now you show me on your book, which way do I bring my finger to start reading? Do I go this way? Or do I go this way? That's right. You go this way. Because if I went this way, there would be no words. There's no words for me to read. But if I start here on the left side, I go all the way to the right side, and then I sweep back down to read the rest of the words on the page. So then I finish here. Okay, how do I know to stop? How do I know when to end the sentence? This little point right here, my period, that tells me that I need to stop. So I stop. And then, since I have 2 pages in my book, I would stop at the period, and then I would come over here, and I would start here, and I would read left to right. And I would know to stop again because there's another period. Once I end my sentence with my period, I would know it's time to flip the page. And I would do the same thing. Starting on the right side of the book. Whoop. Right side of the page, reading. Sorry. Okay, we're starting on the left side of the book. And we're reading to the right, stopping at the period, and going to the next page, starting on the left side and reading to the right. All right, guys, now I want you to practice with your book. I want you practicing finding the front cover. Show someone at home where your front cover is. Then maybe turn your book over and show them the back cover. And then you can really show them how smart you are, and show them the title page. Remember, the title page is normally the first page that has the title in it. And then I want you to practice looking at one page and starting on the left side and going to the right side with your finger like this, okay? Have fun reading your books. Bye.